Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Note 8P, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, obviously we will want to open up settings. From here you're going to scroll all the way down to System, Reset Options, and then select Erase All Data, Factory Reset, which will provide you with information that this process will remove things like your Google account, system, and app data, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. Now honestly, the probably more important parts right here that it removes is things like your music, photos, and overall user data. So if there's anything of that sort that you'd like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. Now assuming you have already made a backup, or you for instance don't want to, select delete all data and then that once more, and this will begin factory reset. So this will probably take a couple minutes, and once it's finished we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.